Right, Emma, how has today been?
Very, very good.
Why has it been very good?
Well, first of all, I'm very tired.
Yes.
Because in the morning we weren't woke up like we were supposed to.
It was a bit of a panic to get off the train, wasn't it?
We were on the overnight train and we only had like 10 minutes after we woke up to get our bikes and the trailer off. I lost my sock.
Oh dear.
Which is a shame because they were school socks. And the one I lost was the clean one. And the other one had bird poo on it.
Okay.
But that's in the bin now, so.
Right.
And then as you're saying, we got an ice cream. No, that was yesterday. Oh, today we got an ice cream too because we went to an outdoor swimming pool and I got an Oreo ice cream which actually tastes a lot like Oreo, and there was a slide, 2 diving boards, bouncy ones, the springboards. Yeah, I jumped off the lower one only once because it was really fun, and if I was a lot warmer and the water was warmer, I probably would have jumped off the high one. And yeah.
And how's the riding been today?
The riding's been good. Through the trees, I think is the River Danube.
Oh, let's see if we can see it. There it is, the River Danube.
Oops. Yes, now we're just on our way to the campsite. And as you might have guessed, I am in my swimming costume because I couldn't be bothered to get changed. So yeah. It's okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Because there's the campsite. You can see the campsite. Right, and just finally, how has your brother John been today?
Very good, but very annoying still.
Okay, just like a brother then.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Bye now.